Hey guys, welcome back to Gladiator. Just taking a nature walk. Nature. What's a nature? Nature walk. Many ticks over here, so whenever you come up by here in New Jersey, I don't live in New Jersey, but I just took a trip to New Jersey. Pretty cool. What it looks like. Hopefully no ticks are on me though. So yeah, it's pretty cool down there. Hopefully you guys have a nice nature walk whenever you guys do it. So you guys have a nice nature walk whenever you guys have time to do it. So over here, it's a bigger view and a better view down here. I hope you guys have a nice nature walk. If you guys get to do one, maybe make a video of it or take a picture of it and send it to me. Hopefully you guys do. Down there is a nice nature walk I'm gonna do. So, yeah, some cool plants. Definitely. Oh, that's like greenhouse over there. Greenhouse. Nice good old greenhouse. The ground. Okay, guys. You guys like this nature walk over there? Bug on the camera. Oh, bug. Sorry, guys, about that. All right. So thank you. Leave comments about your nature walks. So, have a good time on your nature walk if you ever do one. Subscribe to my channel. View my videos and like them. Leave good comments. Thank you. And pick up the greenhouse. Okay, guys. Bye. Have a good nature walk if you ever have one.